Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Die what he wants. Die what he wants. Die what he wants.
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall.
Hey, blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla here again. My people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police went at a location. In my point of view, the situation was unfriendly from the start, viewing subscribers. See, now I didn't get any confirmed information as to why police went at that location. And according to information that I got, the video had been recorded within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
No man, like madness. Where's that? What is that?
No shorty, that the man with us run.
Daddy man will run?
They come to see the man with us run.
Okay, daddy man will run. Alright, right. I'm not playing for steps, you know. All the ransack my place 2-3 times. I got no abiding sector symbol. And every time I leave, I have to clean, I have to pay people to fix.
Right true. Cause they coming and they breaking up people things and claiming SOE boy. The breaking up people things.
Mommy, hey, move from there. Let her cut. I will let her cut it. Just video it. Let her cut it. Just let her cut it. Don't stop them. Let her do the work. Don't stop them.
Please, look nice.
Move from there, Rasi. Move from there. Move from there, Rasi. Move from there. Move from there.
Move from here. You move from here. You move from here. You not from.
Step back.
Them, they try to cut up a little white thing. Big bad men.
This is something there?
Just mark the back fence there, dark man in the back there. Make sure you. Alright, I just making sure they rest down nothing.
Nobody can leave. Nobody ain't leaving.
Why you feel somebody trying to leave? Everybody wants to see what you're coming up to.
Wow.
For the next one.
All day. All day, shorty.
He can't put on nothing. Video Hegel. I said for him that he can't put on nothing. Only friend can say in the video Hegel. He's have to move from there. Bring my laptop here.
And what could have caused that?
Bring my laptop. Vandalize it, break it, mash it up, please. I was back.
I'm gonna pick up my husband's phone one time. Well, I ain't gonna take up that again. I'm gonna pick up my husband's phone one time. Shorty, while you're talking, just make sure your video recording for me, please.
Mommy, like
Sis, the back at it again, sis, again, girl. Again. Look. Again. Right through the coming in people place, girl. Right through. Watch. I wanted to watch. They now break the chain to come in. No warrant, nothing. They now break the chain. What are you hitting for? What are you hitting for? No problem. I'm taking that assault. I am taking that assault. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. That what he want. That what he want. That what he want. That is what he want. Let go the woman phone. That what he want.
Give me that on a life.
No, you, no.
The now take the woman phone. Hey, watch what going on here, girl. The now rush the woman and take she phone. You hearing me? The now rush the woman and take she phone. This officer right here. He now push me way to a taking the assault.
Hey,
I taking the assault.
no.
That is not his apartment. 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 The ransacking inside my Kevin. They're hitting the woman. They're hitting the woman. Watch. Watch the beating the woman. Watch the beating the woman. The beating the woman. Watch the beating the woman. The beating the woman. They carry the youth man in the wrong apartment and beating the woman on top of it.
Step back.
Watch what going on. Watch what going on.
Step back.
Hey boy.
You don't know who do that.
Watch what going on. They now beat the woman, the son, the youth man mother. The youth man mother-in-law. There was no beating she. Screen record everything to the take she phone too. Screen record everything to take she phone too.
You take my phone. And you hit me.
They now beat the woman. Turn, let me see. Turn, let me see. They now beat the woman. I'm telling you.
Watch my hand.
They now beat the woman because she tried to get his son out of the apartment. Watch the woman. Watch the woman. Just now they're going upstairs. Me said no, they're going up in my blasted face. They're going upstairs. I had to make sure it's nobody in my place because I don't walk up here. Nobody have no warrant. You understand? Everybody in the yard. They now walk up here.
Yep.
Sure.
What?
I don't know. Girl, we now come home from Juve. We now come home from Juve. I tired of this fucking thing, girl.
Because when they cut the thing up.
They say some complaint or some shit they hear. Loud explosion. This is the only yard I could find to run into. Mommy, they're by your front door.
No, your mother.
By your front door again.
I don't make sure you have an electric gate then.
They now beat the tenant downstairs. The woman downstairs, they now beat she. They take the youth man and carry him inside a KV apartment and beat the woman on top of it.
What so often, officer? I thought that so often is what? Every harassment. What so often?
I ain't going to see what's going on in the yard. They take the woman's phone.
No fixing back.
They take the woman's phone. She was recording down in the yard. They take she phone.
So often.
I ain't going to sit down in the yard. I have to keep my eye on this one because you know the love here.
Guys, what me son?
He not home. He now going to drop pampers and things for them boys. He now going to drop pampers and things for them boys. We now reach home from Juve, mommy.
Eh?
We now reach home from Juve.
You have any light inside?
This is annoying. What the full? What the full all over?
They say they get complaints of loud explosion. Look how much houses are around here. Why you coming here?
Yeah, take it out.
I'm not talking to you. You're upsetting me.
Shouting in my ear.
I shouting in your ears. Boy, look now.
All from the States. Eh? Is what going on?
I'm not seeing what going on in my yard. Officer, I want to see what going on in my yard. I cannot leave you here. All you like to put on thing here. I cannot leave you here. Am I stepping back so let me see what going on in my yard? It ain't nobody in here to run from you. You're by the front door. If anybody run, you go see them.
I have no idea of that.
You could say, you want to see? I could pull my curtain. Watch. What you mean that place? Are you trying to make it sound like it's a threat inside here? I'm showing you. I want to see what's going on in my yard. I'm putting on all the lights for you. So the place ain't dark no more. You seen anybody in here? Can you please step out by the gate? Let me get to see in the yard, please.
Inside the place.
Honey, mommy, sir, view. I ain't see a warrant. I cannot allow you through my door. Is the SOE in favor, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Can you say that again on camera? Is the SOE up and running, yes or no?
Put on the light.
Yes or no? All the lights are on. Is the SOE up and running, yes or no, officer? Officer, is the SOE up and running, yes or no? Why you not answering me? Then again, I don't have your answer on camera. It had no more lights here. It had no more lights. All the lights outside are on.
Just walk in so I can check your place.
My people, what do you think about that situation? What are the wrongs you see in that situation then? What are the faults do you see in that situation? Me notice me here SOE. Now, this when it comes down to the whole SOE thing, if I'm correct with what I'm about to say, that can somewhat cause certain things to be allowed to police to do. Now people, but I like to tell me, what do you think about the way how a law enforcer was treating the situation? A law enforcer we seen in the video. Because in my point of view, I think that he could have dealt with the situation a little better. You understand? And that's at least one of them, in my point of view. You see, yeah, don't get me wrong, I respect rules and law, you know, but at the same time, try and show respect, you know. Everyone have rights. Everyone have rights, you know what I mean? Yeah, and don't get me wrong, I not say nothing against certain things, I'm just saying, just treat certain situations a certain type of way. Anyways, but you can leave a comment or comments, let me know what I think about that whole situation. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.